Good evening. Today I would like to explain introduction to Python programming. So Python is so popular because of a rich number of libraries. Python programming is developed by Guido van Rossum. He is from Netherlands. It is a successor of ABC programming. Python can be executed in two ways. One is ideally integration development learning environment and scripting way where we can write our own program and we are compiling and we are executing and we are deploying. Python data types are integer, string, float, double, etc. Python collections are data structures like arrays, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries. Python supports mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division. And Python has a single line comments and multi-line hash. Single line comment is a hash, multi-line comments is triple quotes, dash dash and followed by the triple quotes. Python supports loop statements like for and while statements. Python is a case sensitive programming language, that is capital A value is 65, small a value is 97. Based on the ASCII values, we are calculating the binary equivalent number of each character on the keyboard. That's why Python is a case sensitive programming language. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries. Libraries are also called as packages or application programming interface. The latest Python software is the 3.12.4 and Python keywords cannot be used as identifier or variable name. Python must start with a letter or an underscore. Python must contain only letters, digits or underscores. Data types are two types: mutable data types, immutable data types. Mutable data types are changeable. Examples are list, set, dictionary, byte array. Immutable cannot be changeable. Examples are integer, float, byte, string, tuple, frozen set, etc. Then Python as a powerful program widely used in various fields such as data science, artificial intelligence, big data and automation, etc. There are two important commonly used libraries we are using. One for data manipulation we are using Pandas, and one for creating variety of graphs and visualizations we are using Matplotlib. And Python programming having built-in features like variables, data types, etc. Variables are a varying value at runtime duration used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a program. X is a variable we are assigning with 10. If you type X, it will print 10. So if you type of X means integer, like id of X means it will print id value of where it is storage location, it will print. Y is a variable and we are printing hello. Hello is a collection of characters and enclosed with double quotes. Data types are different types of values like integer 5, float 5.0, strings hello, boolean true or false, etc. Then basic mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, and percentile, square root, and power, etc. Operator precedence, it determines the order in which multiple operations are performed. String operations, string is a collection of characters and enclosed with enclosed with double quotation. We can perform operations like concatenation, repetition, slicing, etc. Hello plus world, hello world, it is concatenation. Example, hello multiplied by 3, it will print 3 times hello, hello, hello. That is called repetition. Loops or for and while statements. Then file operations like open, read, write and close files. So with open, you can write file.txt in R reading mode as a file. Content equal to file.read. You can read the file. Exceptions, it handles errors in Python with try, except and finally. So coding platforms like Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, IDLE, etc. There are standard libraries like Numpy for numerical calculations, numerical operations, and support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices. And SciPy for scientific Python, it is building on top of NumPy. It's used for high level computations. Pandas for data manipulation, data analysis library. Scikit-learn for machine learning library. Matplotlib for plotting and visualization. NLTK for natural language toolkit for linguistic data analysis. TensorFlow for deep learning, machine learning, etc. Keras for libraries for deep learning. PyTorch for another library for deep learning from Facebook's. PyTorch is a Facebook's artificial intelligence research laboratory tool. Then scripting way, we are executing Python programming in two ways. So I'm going to show you practicals right now. To clear the console, we are using there are in Windows platform you can use import os.system of CLS. In Linux you can use press control plus L. Okay. Likewise, we are executing. We are performing operations. If you open in the run command like cmd, so once you have installed successfully Python software, then you can run here. If you type Python, if you want to clear the screen, you can use CLS. Then type Python, it will display the version of the Python. So I am using 3.12.4. So this is called IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. So here I have explained x is equal 10. So 10 is a value and x is a variable. So if you type x, it will print 10. So type of x, if you print, it will print integer, and id of x, if you print, it will print some location of the variable where it stores. So same thing, y is equal to hello string collection, it will print y, so hello value. Then if you want to see the type of y, it will display it is a string str, and id of y, it will print some location of the variable. So this is called IDLE. Here I would like to perform addition of two numbers. Sir, I would like to clear the console. What is the command you have to use? Import os, enter os.system of CLS. So CLS means clear screen. So it will clear. Now you can write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers as a static input. So I am declaring a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, then c is equal to a plus b. Then you type c, it will print 5. You can also use print c also, it will print 5. So same program, how do we can execute in scripting way? You need to exit. So here you can write notepad space same add.py. Suppose if you are writing program, write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers using static input. So a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to a plus b. Same program. Print addition equal to 0. C. So now I am executing Python space add.py. It will execute. See, addition equal to 30. This is the way we are executing Python programming in two ways. One is in IDLE and one more is in scripting way. So in IDLE, if you want to clear the console, we are using import space os and os.system of CLS.